Let's look at how to change the units of measure in Photoshop. When you're starting a new document, you can choose some default presets from, let's say, print. You can choose something other than inches. If you look at a web document, the native is pixels, or you can change that here. So let's start a new web document. If we need to change the measurements after the fact, you can show your rulers by doing Command R, and you'll see on the X and Y axis you now have rulers. If you right click on the ruler, you can change your units here, or you can go to image size, and you can change the units here. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more short and to the point videos. Thanks for watching.